Hey guys, what's going on? It's David here with Lunar Beaches Crypto. I just wanted to go over the Bitcoin price chart, start off the new week fresh, kind of getting back to some concepts that for some reason I had given up hope on instead of trying to fully understand them. But I think I had to take that venture away in order to learn some other things, and then now can incorporate them into future trading strategies. So right now in this video, I just wanted to go over something called the new week opening gap, which is just the gap in the price from the Friday market close, which is the stock market close, and the new week open on Sunday. So when the Asian markets open on Sunday night in the US, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I believe. And this is what is considered the new week opening gap per ICT concepts, smart money concepts. So first thing I noticed is when Asia opened, you had a little bump up, but then a sell-off immediately. Where did that sell-off end up? Well, it ended up taking out the low from Friday. So it took out Friday's low, but it bounced aggressively off of that. So that to me kind of signifies, all right, that's a little bit of a liquidity grab, and now they're pushing price up. And as of right now, so pretty much every day, the London session creates the high or the low of the day. And what I mean by that is once London closes, the high of London and the low of London are put in. Once one of those gets taken out, then you know that the other one likely will not be taken out in the same day. So for the rest of that trading day, the other side of that is likely not going to be taken out, and you're likely trading towards the other direction. But so right now we've put in the London high and the London low, and we have not breached either since London closed, which was right here. So London closed right here, and we have not breached either the high or the low. So best guess is, so your guess is going to be which one is it most likely to attack for liquidity. Right now it looks like it's trying to go up and attack the highs, which I think is what it's going to try to do. I think I am short-term bullish on Bitcoin just because I see these areas where a lot of stop losses could have been placed on the way down for people shorting the market, and then with this being your final high that needs to be taken out, in order for this price action to really remain bullish, I think we got to take out these equal highs over here. So what I mean by remain bullish is I want to know if this or last week's crash right there, I want to know if that was the local bottom, if that was the bottom and we're about to push up and break above the long-term resistance sitting up there at 32k, right? Is that, what did we get up to? Got up to 31k. So is that enough to push price Was that dip down enough to push price back up? Have we built up enough liquidity in this price range in order to make that move? That's the big question. Or do we need to cut down deeper and pick up more before we can head higher? That's the biggest question right now. I wish I had the answer, but unfortunately I don't, and I can only just trade day to day and trade different setups that I see. And that's another thing that I want to mention in this video before I go, is that once you get into trading, you should really find just like a few setups that you see regularly, that you get used to, and then just trade those setups. Not financial advice, of course, but yeah, follow your rules for each of those setups and use proper risk management. Make sure you use your stop loss, protect your capital, preserve your capital, and you can be a successful trader. And if you just keep it simple, keep some basic rules, look for setups that you know very well, and that just takes time. That just takes time in the charts, looking at them every single day. And this is for people that, want to day trade or scalp. Now, your swing traders, you don't have to really look every single day. I mean, you should look at least once probably, but for the most part, you have a basic entry and an exit if you're swing trading, and you're projecting out further into the future. But that's for another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I had to record it on my phone. I'm just trying to get one out to you guys. I will go deeper into this new week opening gap concept, like these dotted lines here. This one right here is just the midpoint in the middle of the new week opening gap. And as you can see, we have gotten reactions to that midpoint twice today, and both have been pretty bullish reaction. We got long lower wicks here, so I am looking for Bitcoin to continue to the upside. So a dip back down here to this green dotted line is not out of the question before it can move back up, but we'll just have to wait and see. But yeah, we'll get into this stuff later, but that's gonna be it for now. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. If you could, on your way out, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified for when I create new content or when I go live. I'll see you guys on the beaches of the moon. Peace.